of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi met Mohammad Irfan on July 27th, the young man who gained nationwide attention after reciting the preamble of the constitution during the recent protest against the NEET question paper leak at Delhi's Jantar Mantar. Irfan became a social media sensation after a video of his emotional recitation of the preamble along with his remarks on justice, equality, liberty, fraternity and constitutional values went viral. The protest was organized against the alleged NEET paper leak, with students demanding a fair investigation, greater transparency in competitive examinations, accountability from the National Testing Agency and reforms to safeguard the integrity of the examination system. Coming from a marginalized community in Delhi, Irfan highlighted the struggles of working class families, daily wage laborers and workers in the unorganized sector. Drawing on his own experiences, he spoke about the challenges related to education, healthcare, employment and democratic rights while stressing the importance of protecting constitutional values. According to sources, Rahul Gandhi invited Irfan after watching the viral video of his speech. During the meeting, they discussed the constitution, education, social justice and challenges faced by young people and Irfan's personal experiences. Sharing photographs from the meeting on Instagram, Rahul Gandhi described Irfan as a young man from a Delhi neighborhood whose mindset rises above his circumstances. Gandhi wrote that Irfan's understanding of the constitution, his perspective on the country and his eagerness to learn demonstrate that India's greatest strength lies in its youth. He added that millions of young people like Irfan represent the country's true hope and described them as inquisitive, sensitive and conscious of both their rights and duties. Rahul Gandhi further said that Irfan's outlook on the country and his commitment to the constitution reflect the immense potential of India's youth. He added that young people like Irfan are India's greatest strength and hope for the future. The meeting has also been viewed as a symbolic recognition of young voices advocating constitutional values and educational reforms. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.